Hi guys, today we are reviewing the Fossil CH2483 sports watch. In the review we'll go through the style, features as well as dimensions of the watch. So without further ado, let's get started. This watch is from the Fossil Blue range. As you can see, it's a silver case. As such, it's sort of split half in half. So we've got a stainless steel case around here with plastic clear orange shoulders. If we come round to the crown side, we've got the crown in stainless steel and two pushers for the stopwatch, and then again this clear plastic shoulder which sort of folds around the back of the watch. Must be perfectly honest from the beginning, as you can see this strap is not the right strap for this watch. This is a bodged fix by me for a temporary basis. This strap is from a No Fear watch I had a while ago which went wrong. So I've used it on this watch because the strap that came with this watch unfortunately was broken. This watch should normally come with this clear strap. So you've got a clear orange plastic strap with a buckle, but as I said, unfortunately the one I've got was broken, so I had to take it off. If I can find one, I'll replace it and put it back on the watch. In the meantime, just so that I can wear it, I put on this orange silicone one, but as I said, it is a temporary basis. If we come to the back of the watch, you can see that the watch is a stainless steel back, stainless steel case. It's from the Fossil Blue range, as I've said. It's 50 meters water resistant and it's got a screw on back, but also you can see other screws here where the case screws into the plastic. So you've got this metal case here screwing into the plastic shoulders which also go around the back. If we come round to the front of the watch, you can see we've got these sort of like bezel. It doesn't move or twist, but it's got this very deep sort of indents where you've got the hours, 10, 20, 30 and so on, and then this sort of edge here, so like a beveled edge. You've got very nice square buttons for the chronograph. Yeah, if you look at the face, you've got this nice shoulder in silver with dark minute markers and then orange at the 5 o'clock positions, so every 5 minutes. You've got very bright luminous dots for the 10-minute positions, 5, 10 minutes, and a luminous 12 at the top. You've got a very big hour and minute hand. They've both got a luminous paint on as well. You've got this enormous dot with luminous paint on for this hour hand. You've got an orange second counter hand. Now this is a stopwatch counter hand, so it stays in one position. You've then got your 3 dials. So you've got your 24-hour clock this side on 3 o'clock. You've got your minute counter for the stopwatch on this side. And then down the bottom is your normal second counter for normal daily timing. You've then got here your date window, which is white background with black lettering. It's got a little silver surround around it, and that gives you a date. The chronograph features are pretty normal as always. Top button to start, but as I said, this is a flyback. So this has the second hand here, which does your stopwatch counting. So you press the starter, and away it goes. Notice also you've got your normal second hand steel counting at the bottom, which is just counting your normal time. You press stop, and then you press the button at the bottom to reset it. You've got a nice stainless sort of steel finish, silvery finish to the face itself. It says Fossil 50 meters. You'll notice on the front of the dial, strange enough, although this is a Fossil Blue watch, so on the back of the watch it says Fossil Blue from their Blue range. On the front of the watch it doesn't make any mention of it at all. So it's just a standard ordinary Fossil watch. It's just a styling, you'd have to guess whether or not it's a blue or not. So I believe this is a very nice looking watch, very stylish, sporty watch. Quite good to look at, and it's quite comfortable to wear. It's just unfortunate, as I said, I could do with getting the proper strap for it. So if we come to the dimensions, the face is quite small. It's a 30mm face. We've got a 40mm case from side to side. If you include the crown, we've got quite a large crown. It's quite a nice crown as well. It's got quite a lot of nice markings on the crown. This brings it to 44mm. The strap, as I said, normally I've measured it from the clear strap that's supposed to come with it, which is 22mm. The depth is quite thick actually, because it's a sort of a case in a case. It's 13mm. And overall weight, because it's mainly plastic, the weight is quite low. It's 87 grams in total. So guys, thanks for watching the review. Hope you like the review. If you do, please hit the like button down below. If you're not already, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload more videos. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.